Hi, everybody. This is Tracy Malone from narcissistabusesupport.com. Today's video is dedicated to those parents who are estranged from their adult child due to a narcissistic daughter or son-in-law. Today's topic is about the birthdays, the particular days that are important to you. It could not necessarily be a birthday. Certainly, holidays are always a different story because there's many other people often involved in holidays. But when it's your child's birthday and you are not going to be able to see them, it's heartbreaking. Some parents are able to still contact their child. Some people can reach out, text them, send them an email, actually have a conversation, while others are limited to no contact at all. And so what happens is the day, the anticipation, the trigger of the day you gave birth, the whole thing floods back, the thousands of birthdays, okay, maybe not thousands of birthdays, the birthdays that you have been with your child and the meanings and the things and the special memories that you have all come together on that day. And often, like, just an avalanche of emotions come. It's a painful day and it's going to suck, especially in the first few years if you are just new to this estrangement. It's going to just rock your life and it's going to suck. And you have to get through the suck. You just have to know that. Um, but there are things that you can do to try to make things a little bit brighter, a little bit different, right? Again, if you have permission and are able to contact them, sending them a birthday wish and that sort of thing is good. I have had parents, and I want to put this in here, I've had parents who are fully estranged and no contact, and yet they sent gifts to their child. This also applies with grandchildren, but when they've sent the gifts to the child that were unwanted, most of the time they get thrown out, but I had a parent actually get arrested, get a restraining order, and then to the next level of getting them arrested and having to go to court for that. So, just so you know, while that might seem like a good idea, it depends on the situation you are in. If no contact is what they're giving you and they've requested, violating that to send them a present is only going to show them that you're not listening. Again, this is not fair. This is not the way that your life was supposed to be. But if your daughter or son is with a narcissist, these are the rules of the game. And we have to not accept them, but we have to just bear with them. We don't have a lot of choice here. So, allowing yourself to grieve during this day is a good idea. You don't want to just shove it under the rug and hide, but it also could help you to journal. And again, people are like, what is journaling going to do? All those feelings that you're feeling, the rumination of the birthdays past, all that stuff is just pouring through your head. And so if you pick up a piece of paper and journal out what you're feeling, it does help to get those things out and on paper. If you've got a therapist, schedule them on your child's birthday. Make sure that you've got support. If you have best friends or other family members that you could be around so that you're not focusing on the loss and it's just another day, right? We put the meaning behind it. I have a sign behind me that says, "What am I making this mean?" And we're making it into again the trauma of another birthday. Oh no, I won't be able to see them and that sort of thing, right? And so if we could turn around what we're making it mean to be a place where you remember the love, you send them love. You are, you know, just holding on to the way it was and wishing them well in this time period because there's not much you can do, right? Something that I have seen parents do that is important to just kind of say it, although it shouldn't need to be said. But generally, looking at the adult child's or their spouse's Facebook to know that they had a big party with everyone but you. Those things can be extremely triggering, right? So think about, you know what? I think the best thing for me is to not look. If they're having a party and I'm not included, I know what's happening. I don't need to see pictures because that just attacks your soul. So, try to keep busy. Try to, um, you know, think it's just another day. If we go, oh my goodness, this day's coming, the whole day's going to be horrible. So if you can find a way to just sort of like, just another day, and the emotional attachment is not attached to you, it will suck. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be the bearer of good news, of bad news, but it's a bad day for most parents. And so you'll get through it, I promise, right? We don't think we can, we don't know how we'll survive, but you will. So again, this is Tracy Malone. If you are have an estranged child due to a narcissistic daughter and son-in-law, I have a new group starting in a few weeks. So you can visit my website, narcissistabusesupport.com, and I'll have details on that. The parents that are in the groups are learning so much, and it's been so helpful. So I hope that you can take advantage of something like that. I also work one-on-one with people. If you are struggling, I am here to help you, guide you, help you write letters, help you not make mistakes that further the silent sentence. This is Tracy Malone from Narcissist Abuse. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.